Hello everyone, and today we continue building our real-time chat. So we will start using Socket.io. So Sockets is just two-way communication based on events. So just your client sends an event with some data to server, and server can also send it. So let's I included the Socket.io to this index.html and also downloaded it from Socket.io GitHub repository. And also, uh, you have to install the Socket.io package using npm. So this is our client that will client sockets part, and this is server part. So you just write npm install flag save socket.io. That's all. And now we have to modify our server. So here we have to create a variable that will equal to the result of function whistle. And here we just write io equals require. We just require the socket io package and send server as dependency. So it will create a io server based on this HTTP server. And here we just use io on. So on is function used to register the events and handlers. So here we just use connection, and connection event fired when the client connected to server. And here we just specify the callback with the argument socket. So when the client connects, it sends the socket as the instance of the client. So here we can log socket console log um, user connected. And here let's create a new file, app.js. We will write client code here, and here include it. So js app.js. Now here let's create a function called setup socket, and create a function init that will call the setup socket function and call init itself. Now let's make a variable socket, and here create type socket equals io. So if you don't specify any arguments to the io function, it will try to connect to the current URL on standard socket port. And here let's write socket on sycon server. We register an event connection function, and here server sends the data, so it can send any data here. And let's write console log successfully connected to server. Now let's test it. Node server.js. So it started, and now let's update it. As you can see, we updated the page. The function init code that calls the setup socket function and socket. This function just connects to the server, and here we can see the user connected message. And if we open the console here, we will not see anything. Why? Because there is a connect event, because on server there is an incoming connection, and on client, it connects to the server. So let's restart the server and try it. And as you can see, successfully connected to server. Message, and here also. So now we're ready to write the chat client.